What's up, guys? Just want to give you a quick update on what's going on in the Gulf Coast right now. It is calm, but the wind has picked up a little bit. So, I haven't decided on whether to go or to stay, but for right now, my decision is to stay. But it may change to tomorrow night or the day of the Wednesday morning, but I'll make the decision tomorrow. But for right now, I know that my parents are a bit concerned with the strength of the weather, and they want me to come to Pensacola and stay with them. So I'll consider it, but for right now, I haven't made a decision yet. So